Hey guys, doing a video on blind spot on my Mini Cooper. So a couple times I've been driving and there was a blind spot, didn't see the car. So normally if I'm driving like this, I don't see the car, but there's a car there. That's my other car parked there. It's over there. So unless you move forward or turn your head to check to see if there's another car there, your mirror produces a blind spot. Does it on both sides. So to avoid getting in an accident, which I almost did a couple times, I got a couple things I want to try, and I'll show you. So I picked up these two. This is the least expensive. It's only about $6. I've been looking for something that kind of fits in the same curvature as the existing mirror out there that I could attach on the glass. So I got this. It's only about $6, and these are actually lens replacements. They're supposed to help with the curvature of the glass. Let me break these out. I picked up both of these types on Amazon. So this one basically comes with a replacement lens. It's heated on the back. They just have to figure out how to pop it out. I want to be able to pop out the old one without breaking it. So I'm going to see if this actually, I think this is actually curved a little bit, so we'll see if how these compare between the $50 ones and the $6 ones. Okay, I can see the difference. This is the way it looked before. So if I installed this one, right about there, it actually gives you more of a curvature. You're actually able to see the my other car parked there. There, without it, with it. See right there on the left side a little bit. Oops. Okay, good thing when I dropped it I didn't break it. It fell inside the car. So there it is. This is the same angle looking at it without the replacement mirror, and I'm just going to attach the other mirror with a rubber band so we can see what the difference is. Okay, this is the other mirror attached and with rubber bands, and now you can see the other car on the left side of that mirror. So there's a slight curvature to it. Okay, here's the other one that only cost $6. These look pretty nice. Comes with two of them for each side. Some 3M adhesive tape on the back, and it actually comes with these little pivot things. So if you wanted to attach this on the back, then it allows you to pivot, so fine-tune the angle that you would want. Okay, I attached the $6 ones with some little bit of double-sided tape that I had because I didn't know if I wanted to use the pivot or not. So here it fits the curvature of that outside edge of the mirror pretty good, and at the same time I can see my other car out there, and which is pretty good. So I think I'll do that. Go ahead and attach this one to the car and do it on both sides and go with that, and without using the pivot. I like it the way it's same curvature on the outside, and it blends in with the mirror pretty good. So you clean the mirror and then attach them. Okay, I put on the little blind spot mirrors so now I could actually see around the edge a little bit better on this side. This is the driver's side mirror. Blends in pretty good with the current mirror, and there's the other mirror. So I'll drive around with that and see how well that works. For $6, that's pretty good in getting these little things for my blind spot. So hope that helps you. And if I change them out to the other $50 mirrors, I'll do a video on that because I want to be able to figure out how to pop that out without breaking the old ones. Thanks a lot.